Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to extract the UID list of Facebook posts based on any keyword you want. To get started, open the MKT UID software and select the Scan Post List feature. Next, click on Scan by Keyword and enter the keywords related to the type of posts you're looking for. Then, specify how many posts you want to collect per keyword. After that, choose the Facebook account you want to use for the scan and hit Start. The software will automatically search and extract the latest posts related to your keywords. Once the scan is complete, you can export the data into an Excel file for easy management. You can then use these post UIDs to automatically comment or drop your promotional links on thousands of posts every day. So what are you waiting for? Contact me right now to get your hands on this amazing software package. All my contact info is in the description and pinned comment below. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my helpful videos on easy and effective marketing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.